Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, to those who are new, and to those who've been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Today we have a guest, but before that, before he introduces himself, I would like to just thank you guys for all those who have been giving me feedback about their shopping on Alibaba. I've received so far quite a number of them, like for example the one I've just put on the screen. So please do give me feedback. It gives me joy to see that you guys are actually following the things which I'm sharing with you. And also guys, I do shop for people. People do call it a runner. In Zimbabwe they call it a runner. So if you want consultation, I do that. I do go ahead and shop for you at 10% fee. So if you want to know more about that, you need to DM me. So yeah, Admire, do you want to introduce yourself again?
Well, this is a continuation of the last video, yes?
Yes, and again, this is a continuation of the last video. Remember, we had lost some of our gadgets, the gadgets, consignment, his consignment. So now we did get his stuff back. So without wasting any of your time, we are going to unbox that.
Should we?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
So it's a culture, for those who are new, it's a culture here that we unbox things together before I sell them. So Admire is going to be explaining to us what the equipment is about.
So from our last video, we tried to explain some protection devices that are used in electrical installations. And I did mention that I'd bought some MCBs, which my manufacturer or my supplier forgot to put in with the first load. So he sent me my consignment. The MCBs are here. So all these are just MCBs. It's exactly the same thing, just different sizes. So I'll just take one box from this box. There is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 boxes full of MCBs. Now I'm just going to take one and show you what we have here. I like their packaging. It looks really good and neat. This is eBay in China. And they manufacture a lot of electrical protection and timers, RCDs, a lot of things. So this is what we're talking about today. Okay, you're gonna put a picture on there?
Yeah, I'll put a picture.
Okay, so this is an MCB, a 40 amp MCB 240 or 415. That's single phase or 3 phase. What an MCB does is it breaks the switch or the connection if the current that is being drawn by equipment in the house becomes overloaded. Okay. This is, you have a kettle that is supposed to run, say, 10 amps or let's say 2 amps. If it starts drawing 3 amps, this thing will cut it out and open the circuit so that the switch is off, because that means there's a fault that is happening with the kettle. So this is all this stuff does. The main reason for these things, really, they are sized to protect the cable from overheating. Because if your kettle starts pulling 10 amps instead of 2 amps, that means the cable that is putting power to the kettle starts heating up, possibly burning and causing a fire hazard, which might actually burn down the house. So sizing these things is very important to avoid fires from happening due to overload. And this is all we have in the boxes, actually.
That's all. That's it. Okay, so I just wanted for you to just explain where your consignment was, because we didn't explain that last time. Okay. And also I want you to also explain the payment, the way you paid the shipping agent. Because I understand your consignment needed to be paid through volumes, whatever.
Or volume weight.
Yes. So I just want you to explain that to the people.
Okay, no, actually for this consignment, it was just weight.
Okay.
But the previous consignment,
Yes.
and I did explain in the previous video, how we had to pay more because the volume of the box was bigger. The ratio of volume to weight. So it might not have been as heavy, but it was volumetric, meaning it was taking a lot of space in the plane or the ship, whatever. Plane in this instance.
Oh, okay.
So they won't consider the weight because you might be bringing in furthers from China and take up the entire space in the plane.
Oh, okay.
But it's just furthers, and it could be less than 10 kgs. So they need to make money off the space that you're taking in the plane.
Okay.
So sometimes they charge you weight if the weight to volume ratio is bigger. But if the weight to volume ratio is too small, where your volume is very large and the weight is very small, then they will charge you according to the volume.
Yeah, so please keep note of these things. Don't come at me and start saying, it's, you told us that. Yes, you be coming at me on the comment section and saying, you told us. You said it was $15 per kg. So you have to consider these things.
The volume, 100%. You have to consider volume. Sometimes, actually, if you're doing it alone, then I think you need to then communicate with whoever is shipping your stuff. And just make sure, especially if your things are too volumetric, please do advise them that this thing is very huge. It doesn't weigh much, but it's very volumetric. And as well, something we forgot to say, some problems that we've been facing. We recently bought a piano. I think you will do a video when it comes, right? Yeah,
we'll do a video. So keep trying.
It's an electric piano, or it's a keyboard, but on the piano side. I don't know why they call it a piano and not a keyboard, but it looks like a piano. For the past 3 weeks, we had got information about it being in transit, only to find out when we went to collect it at the shipping agent's office that they'd only sent the box. We thought they had sent the box, but they'd actually sent the entire piano. But the airport in China, Beijing, I think, was it Guangzhou? They cannot transport equipment with lithium-ion batteries in them.
Mainly
because of the explosive hazard.
Yes. So they have to. There's another route to send those things, and that's the Hong Kong route.
Hong Kong route.
Yeah.
So now we have to wait 3 more weeks. We thought it was the agent who had pulled out the piano, and he wasn't even sure what was happening. Apparently, we both then found out the piano came with a battery inside, because you can actually play it off the battery without Zesa.
Oh, that's nice.
So they actually put it out, and she received it back about 3 days ago, and now she's sending it back. So basically that's it. And also what I wanted to highlight about consultation, I'll also plug pictures for you to just see how I consult with other people. I've bought like 2 phones for someone already who is going to pay like 10%. 2%. You're trying to get us broke?
10% of me helping them doing that. So as you can see on the video which I've just plugged, that's how I consult with you. And again, phones and everything, they've got their own route, as he explained,
because of the lithium-ion batteries.
Yes, as he explained. So and also I also have
another package.
I have my other package, but this.
Should I bring out the knife?
No, I have a scissors.
Okay.
As we all know.
But still, can I just bring out the knife?
Yeah, it's alright. Oh, you bought it. So these are people. I already know what's in here. It's people's orders.
What's in the
It's tracksuits. It's 3 tracksuits. Like I told you guys that I'm no longer gonna order winter stuff. because I feel winter is almost about to end, so there's really no need.
And it's really cold today. I think today is the coldest it has been in a
Yeah.
while.
Yeah. So these are just tracksuit, a black tracksuit and white tracksuit. Yeah. I'll also put a picture for you guys to see. So basically, these are people's orders, which are which are just arrived. So guys, that's it from me. Do you have?
And from me, can I advertise my channel?
Okay.
Yeah, because very soon I'm going to have my own Roma Light electricals channel. If you're interested in learning about electricity, about solar, about equipment, and there's going to be a lot of fun stuff happening, a lot of dangerous stuff happening too.
Okay.
I'm going to be blowing things up.
Okay.
So
be
sure to look out.
Okay, I was going to link another video which we did together, but then I deleted it accidentally. I think I'm gonna upload it again.
Upload at the same time.
Yes, I think we're just gonna upload the same time. So guys, that's it from me. Till we meet next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell your aunties to tell their aunties, and to tell their gogos, and to tell their grandfathers.
And the gurus.
And everyone come and subscribe, guys. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Hundreds.
Yes. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.